as Darren and Louise mentioned, we've built a whole bunch of customer journey tests and around using scripted events. So saying upfront, well, we predict that a customer will do this, this, and this over the next 6 months with this particular product, and really going through a whole bunch of scenarios, good customers, bad customers, etc. But really what we wanted to get away from is this idea, or combine that with the idea of saying, well, how do we practically use our system through its entire life cycle? And what we found is scripted type events only get you so far, and with the amount of permutations you could have with regards to using a particular product, we felt that the best way of addressing this was to actually make time travel and jumping between points in time on a particular product an interactive thing. And so how testing in this particular fashion normally happens is you seed a database with prescribed data, and you make a lot of assumptions about the true state of that system at that point in time, and you say, well, assuming all of this is correct, this is how this person will actually get to use the system. But again, coming back to the idea around bias and making assumptions, is that you shouldn't take those kinds of things for granted. And the best way to test your system is to actually have users test it for real, but obviously you want to be able to catch issues before you go into production. And what we found was, with all the different permutations of usage on our products, it was actually just to build, it was easier to build a time machine than to build all the possible types of data we need to be able to do that kind of testing. So really the idea was, well, how could we use our product and from the perspective of different customers at different points in time in the product. So as a financial services platform, we do a lot of time-related activities. So we've got batch and scheduled jobs running all the time. We're calculating things like interest and fees. And it's really hard to test for those ahead of time. And you have this anxiety about saying, we can't let this go into production before we've tested it. So how do we actually go about doing that? So, and again, I've alluded to the point around the limitations of mocking data and events, which is typical from an engineering testing point of view. So what we did was we created the ability to freeze time on our platform and fast forward events on a per product basis. So what we could do is we could cycle a product 1 month into the future, freeze time, and then from any UI, so whether it's a customer interface on a cell phone or from a back office point of view, actually jump to that particular point in time and see, well, on this date, how does it look from the perspective of the customer, and how does it look from the perspective of a call center agent potentially, and make sure that if I, for example, take out a product today, I jump forward a month in time, have all of our scheduled jobs run, is that state of that product correct at that point in time? How does it look from both the customer and the back office point of view? And then from there, interact with that product interactively. So on a cell phone, make a repayment, or from a back office point of view, resolve some issue. How does our accounting look like? How does all these other, what are all the side effects of the system? What does it actually mean? What does our data actually look like? And is that accurate? And so these were some of the benefits we had from actually building a time machine inside of our product. We were able to actually validate multiple user interfaces and really use the product for real in an unsimulated way, and make sure that yes, in 6 months from now, this is what this particular product, or this is what the customer's portfolio would actually look like. And what this really allowed us to do was pick up a lot of consistency issues between multiple UIs much faster. This actually led to a lot of rapid enhancements to our APIs and integration points, because we have quite a few of those. It allowed us to test totally unscripted customer journeys. So we could actually delegate a lot of the testing activity to non-technical stakeholders. So like our POs, for example, could say, well, if I'm customer this and I want to do this and then this, and this, they could just go ahead and use that product and chop and change and jump back and forth in time as needed. And really that allowed us to get our product into the hands of more and more testers within the business and outside of engineering. And that actually freed up our engineering teams to respond to issues and create enhancements at a far more rapid rate. So if you'd like to talk about the technical aspect of how we implemented this, I'll be around and we can chat about that.